Hi friends, hope you're having a great day today. I will be sharing a layout featuring the December 2023 kits along with the December 2023 Snowflake Tree metal die. Let's get started. I'm just framing my photo in white and trimming off the excess off this beautiful paper from the main kit. This paper reminds me of snow falling from the sky, which is perfect for my chosen photo. Now I'm taking the quilted paper from the main kit and tearing out the edges and sizing it down as part of my background. I'm taking this paper and fussy cutting for an irregular look to add a bit of layering to my page. I'm going to play around with the December 2023 color kit along with the snowflake stamp from the main kit. I stamped a bunch of them and fussy cut them and set them aside for later use. Now I'm going to use the Snowflake Tree die and cut a few assorted trees and set them aside. I started to add the trees to my page along with the stamped snowflakes before playing with embellishments from the main kit and the embellishment kit. My whole idea is to make this page look like a snowstorm with snow falling all over the place. I'm enhancing a few of the falling snow with enamels. is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more inspiration, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day.